Today, we're making a Jamaican Sunday special, ackee and saltfish, served with golden fried chicken parts, tomatoes, thyme, scallion, onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and warm island seasoning. Start with the saltfish. Because saltfish is preserved with a lot of salt, rinse it well, then soak it ahead of time, or boil it and change the water until the salt level tastes right. Once it cools, remove any bones and skin, then flake the fish into small pieces. Now, prep the ackee. If you're using canned ackee, drain it gently and set it aside. Ackee is soft, so don't mash it or stir it too hard. The goal is to keep those buttery yellow pieces whole. Next, season the fried chicken parts. In a bowl, add the chicken, crushed black pepper, a little salt, curry powder, fresh garlic, thyme, and a touch of chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet brings real Jamaican heat, so use only what you can handle, and wash your hands after touching it. Let the chicken sit for a few minutes so the seasoning can work in. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. Carefully place the chicken pieces in the oil, away from you, so the oil does not splash. Fry until the chicken is deeply golden, crisp on the outside, and fully cooked inside. Drain it on paper towel and keep it warm. Now it's time for the ackee and saltfish. In a clean pan, add a little cooking oil. Sauté sliced onion, scallion, fresh garlic, tomatoes, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper until fragrant and softened. This is where the kitchen starts to smell like Sunday in Jamaica. Add the flaked saltfish and stir it through the seasoning. Sprinkle in crushed black pepper and taste before adding more salt, because the fish may still carry enough on its own. Let it cook for a few minutes so the tomatoes break down slightly and the flavors come together. Finally, add the ackee. Fold it in gently, not roughly. Let it warm through for a few minutes, just until the ackee takes on the flavor of the saltfish, herbs, garlic, pepper, and tomatoes. The dish should look bright, rich, and colorful, with soft ackee and savory flakes of fish in every spoonful. Serve the ackee and saltfish beside the crispy fried chicken parts. For a full Jamaican-style plate, you can enjoy it with dumplings, fried breadfruit, boiled green banana, or rice. Every bite gives you creamy ackee, salty fish, juicy tomato, fragrant thyme, onion, scallion, garlic, and that unmistakable Scotch bonnet kick. And that's your Jamaican ackee and saltfish Sunday special with fried chicken. Comforting, flavorful, and made to bring everyone to the table.